I'm Roger, and I don't know if I should call this the $1 saw or about buying broken tools. I actually may start a little series on buying broken tools. So when I find a deal like that, I'm pretty handy at fixing those types of things, and it might just be worthwhile to do a series. This was in an estate sale, and they had like a bargain table of broken things, and this here, and I'll pick it up here in a minute, is a Dewalt 378G framing saw. $1. I looked it over. Of course, there was no place to plug it in to try it or anything, so it was just a best guess, but it had a diamond blade in it, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this blade. It's not wore out. So right there, that's well worth more than $1, even if I just use this blade. And yes, it has a diamond, but I have another framing saw, a newer model Dewalt, that also has a diamond arbor, so that'll work out just fine. Incidentally, the saw does run. It's got about a 25-foot cord on it. I'm not sure if that's factory or not. My other one doesn't have a cord that long, but the end of it was pretty gnarly and mashed up, messed up, straightened it out, plugged it in. Yes, the saw does run, but the case is broken. So this portion of the case right here, I'll pick this up. This is broke off. So, okay, got online, looked, okay, just buy a new case for it. Can't be that much. Found the part number. Well, they don't make that anymore, and there's no place you can get it. So what I'm probably going to do is clean the head up on this a little bit, and just use some CA glue and some activator and glue this piece of plastic back on there. Just not gluing at the seam, because I may need to get it apart at some point, but wherever the screws mount, those plastic pieces are broke. In fact, I may take the screws out and just glue, well, that's pretty brittle stuff. I just broke another piece off. I guess I'll just be gluing it back together, and then if it fails at some point, it's just down to the junkyard to be recycled. But at any rate, there are some bargains to be found out there. Nice, good, heavy saw. So, needs some cleaning up. Good base on it. Everything looks good. I mean, the angles work and everything. I tried all that. The blade guard retracts like it's supposed to. The depth gauge works good. So there again, $1 saw. Said the blade alone was worth it. So if you're out and about, maybe your wife or girlfriend likes to look around at yard sales, garage sales, well, it doesn't always hurt to tag along, because you can find some bargains. Especially estate sales. Of course, you've seen in my previous videos, I regularly go by the pawn shops to see what's there. Farm auctions, tool auctions, estate auctions, all good places to go to get things, especially if you're on a budget. It's a good way to get a shop started up. Of course, some of the tools you get may not be the best. They may be kind of a homeowner, handyman level, but you know, if you're on a tight budget, you got to start somewhere. That's a good place to start. You can always upgrade in the future. So, if you kind of liked what you saw here, give it a thumbs up, of course, and we're always looking for subscribers. Until then, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.